Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are an absolute beginner in crocheting and looking for a super easy and fast project to try, or if you are a crocheter looking for the easiest way to crochet to start, this video is made for you. I'm gonna show you each and every step to make this project. And guess what? You don't need any magic ring to make it. I will tell you how to crochet this star in only less than 5 minutes. Let's start crocheting. So this is the yarn tail, and this is my 3mm hook. As I told you, this project is made without the magic ring, and we want to use the 2 chains method. The first step is making the slip knot. So now I'm going to tell you how to make the slip knot. You don't need your hook for now, only the yarn tail and your index finger. So this is how I make one slip knot. See that? Like this, and make this knot. Now we have a loop here. This is the yarn tail, and this is the working yarn. Now I want to insert my hook inside of this loop, like this. Hold the knot and pull the working yarn. See that? Don't pull it too much. Your hook needs to move inside of it. This is how I'm gonna hold my hook. You can hold it like a pencil. Choose the way you're comfortable with. I'm gonna hold it like this. And for holding the yarn, there are different methods. The easiest one is to hold it with only your index finger, like this. You see that? It needs to move inside of your finger, like this. So I'm gonna hold it with only my index finger, and I'm gonna hold the knot and the short tail with my middle finger and the thumb, like that. This is how you should hold the hook and the yarn tail. Now I want to tell you how to chain. To make chains, first of all, you need to learn how to yarn over. To yarn over, you need to do this. Bring your hook here, take it behind of the yarn. Now you need to hold the yarn like that. You see? Grab the yarn with your hook. Again, let me show you. Like this. And grab the yarn. We call that a yarn over. Now I want to pull this yarn through this loop, which is on the hook. Now pull it and pull through the loop. This is one chain. You see it? This V shape is one chain. Now we have one loop on our hook. Again, I want to chain. So yarn over, twist your hook and grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. You see, this is the second chain. So one chain and 2 chains. Now I want to start the round 1. On the round 1, I'm going to tell you how to do single crochet, which is so easy, don't worry about that. First, you need to find the second chain from the hook. Second chain from the hook is the first chain you made. So this is the first chain from the hook. You see that? And this is the second chain from the hook. I want to insert my hook inside of the first chain I made. You see, right here, inside of it, and bring it out. This is one loop of the chain on my hook, and we had one loop here. Now I want to yarn over, pull it through the chain like this. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again, I want to yarn over, twist my hook and grab the yarn and pull this yarn through these 2 loops. You see that? Like this. We call that one single crochet, and it looks like a V from the top. You see that? This is a V. Now I want to mark it as the first stitch of round 1. To mark this stitch, I want to insert my stitch marker under the V shape. You see that? This is the V shape on the stitch marker. Like this. Now it's marked. So this was the first stitch of round 1. Now inside of the same chain, which is here, you see you already have kind of gap in here. I want to insert my hook again inside of there, inside of the same chain, right there. And this is the same loop on my hook. Yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now I have 2 single crochets. Again, inside of the same place, yarn over and pull through the chain, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. 3 single crochets. Again, inside of the same place, insert your hook, 4 single crochets. Again, 5. Again, 6. Again, inside of the same place, 7. After 7 single crochets, I want to start crocheting on the other side of the chain. You see this tail here? I'm going to turn it and start crocheting inside of here. So now we have 7 single crochets. We need 3 more. So this is going to be 8 single crochets. This is going to be 9 single crochets, and this is going to be the last one, 10 single crochets. So on the round 1, I made 10 single crochets inside of the second chain from the hook. Don't forget to count them if you are an absolute beginner. For counting the single crochets, you only need to count the V shapes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You must have 10 single crochets. Good job. Now I want to start the round 2. To make the round 2, first I need to take out the stitch marker. You remember this was the first stitch of round 1. So I'm going to take it out. Inside of this stitch, this V shape, I want to make a single crochet. So insert your hook under the V shape. See that? I'm inserting my hook under the V shape. You must be able to see the V shape on your hook, like this. Now I want to yarn over and pull through the V shape. Make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This is the first single crochet of round 2, and I want to mark it. We are crocheting in rounds, so I don't want you to lose the first stitch. That's why we mark stitches. Okay. Now again, inside of the same stitch, you see this gap here? This is the stitch that we made the single crochet inside of it. Again, I want to insert my hook inside of the same stitch, right there, and make another single crochet. You see that? I made 2 stitches inside of 1 stitch. I made 2 single crochets inside of 1 single crochet. We call that increasing. So whenever you saw increasing or INC, it means that you need to make 2 stitches inside of 1 stitch. Now again, I want to increase inside of the next stitch. You see it on the left. Insert your hook under the V shape. You see the V shape on my hook? Yarn over and pull through. Make 2 loops. And make 1 single crochet. We want it to increase, so this is 1 stitch. Again, inside of the same space. Another single crochet. Yes, that's it. Now we increased 2 times, which means we have 4 stitches, 4 single crochets. Again, inside of the next stitch, under the V shape, yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, 1 single crochet. Again, inside of the same place, another single crochet. Just like the pattern you see down there, I'm going to increase 10 times on this round until the end of the round, which is here, until you get to the stitch marker. And then after the round 2, you must count your stitches, and then you will have 20 single crochets or 20 stitches. So keep increasing, and then I'm gonna be here. Okay, this is the end of the round 2. Don't worry about the circle in the middle, we're gonna fix this later. As I told you, you must have 20 single crochets here. Now I want to start the round 3. So first take out the stitch marker. In the very first single crochet, I'm going to insert my hook under the V shape and make 1 single crochet and mark it as the first stitch of round 3, just like that. After 1 single crochet in the first stitch, inside of the next stitch, I want to increase. So insert your hook under the V shape, 1 single crochet, and again inside of the same stitch, another single crochet. So this is 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Now I have 3 single crochets. Again, I want to repeat this. 1 single crochet inside of the next stitch, and inside of the next time, 1 increase, 1 and 2 single crochets inside of the same stitch. So you need to repeat this pattern that you see down there, 1 single crochet and 1 increase 10 times until the end of the round, and then you should count your stitches, and then you will have 30 single crochets. I'm gonna meet you there. So this is the end of the round 3, and I have 30 single crochets. Now I want to start the round 4. Round 4 is the last round. So first you need to take out the stitch marker. Okay, 1 single crochet inside of the next stitch, which is the first stitch of round 4, and I'm gonna mark it. Okay, inside of the next stitch, which is this one, you see this V shape, I want to make a half double crochet. Now I'm going to tell you how to make a half double crochet. First, you need to yarn over, see that again? So I'm not going to just insert my hook. First, I'm going to yarn over, then I'm going to insert my hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, not 2 loops. We are making a half double crochet. So now I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is 1 half double crochet. Now inside of the next stitch, I want to make 2 double crochets. Now I'm going to tell you how to make a double crochet. So first, yarn over, just like the half double crochet. Now insert your hook under the V shape of next stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch, make 3 loops, just like the half double crochet, but here is the difference. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, see that? Now I have 2 loops on my hook, again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This is 1 double crochet. So 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet. Now I want to chain 1. So chain 1. You know how to chain. Now again, inside of the same stitch, which is here, I want to make another double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook inside of the same stitch, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. After the 2 double crochets in the chain between them, inside of the next stitch, I want to make a half double crochet again. So yarn over, insert your hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So 1 half double crochet. Inside of the next stitch, I want to make 1 single crochet. You know how to make a single crochet? So you see that? This is it. Now inside of the next stitch, I want to make one slip stitch. So insert your hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through the V shape. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. I want you to pull this loop through this one, just like this. Twist your hook, grab this loop, and pull it through this one. So this is the pattern I want to repeat. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets in the chain between them inside of 1 stitch, then 1 half double crochet, and again 1 single crochet, and then 1 slip stitch. So look at this pattern. Whenever you see SC means single crochet, HDC means half double crochet, DC means double crochet, CH means chain, and SLST means slip stitch. This is what I'm gonna repeat 5 times. I'm gonna show you again. So inside of the first stitch, 1 single crochet. Inside of the next one, 1 half double crochet. So yarn over, under the V shape, make 3 loops, pull through all the 3 loops. Inside of the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the chain between them. So yarn over, 1 double crochet, chain 1, yarn over inside of the same stitch, pull through 2 and pull through 2 double crochets. Inside of the next stitch, 1 half double crochet. Inside of the next one, 1 single crochet. And this is going to be the last one, 1 slip stitch. Just like this. So you need to repeat this pattern until the end of the round, which is here. Then I'm going to be here. Okay, this is the end of the round 4, and the last stitch was slip stitch. So now I need to make this look bigger, take out my hook. Now I want to cut the yarn. Okay, let's cut the yarn. Now pull this tail, like that. Take out the stitch marker, we don't need it anymore. Now you see my star is not flat. For making this flat, you need to pull it first, like this, and then press it a little bit. Now this is flat. Now it's time to hide the tails. First, you need a needle and connect the short tail of the slip knot to the needle. Now I want to close this circle in the middle. Inside of the front stitch, I'm inserting my needle, just like that. And from this side, again insert it inside of the front stitch, like this. Now take it out, connect this yarn tail to the needle. Now first I want to insert my needle inside of the next stitch. This is the stitch we made the slip stitch inside, and this is the next stitch. So insert your hook under the V shape, just like that. Bring it out from here, 1 stitch down. Okay, again after 1 stitch I want to insert it. Okay, again bring it out, and then again insert it. Now take out the yarn. Now I want to tie knot 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Now you can cut the tails. Okay, this is it. Don't forget to ask me your questions in the comments. I will answer. If you are an absolute beginner and want to try different types of projects, you can check this playlist in there and try other projects for absolute beginners. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. See you guys.